back to 110 RC Scale Tales. It's time for another quick build, an Airfix quick build. This time it's the Ford Mustang GT 1968. There we go, there's what it looks like. It's about 191, well it is 191 millimeters long and 55 millimeters high. You can see the exploded view there, lots of parts. It's a licensed product with Airfix, looking very good in the red color. It's no glue, no paint, just build. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. So inside there is your bag of bits, instructions, and what else? Oh, and there's your window parts. So there you go. So we'll put this in the corner. So you got your nice tinted windows. You got your various decals. So it looks like there's what, 30 decals there to put on the Mustang. Look quite fiddly. Here's the instructions. So it's a one piece paper printed on both sides, 14 sections. So let's waste no more time. Let's get this Mustang built. So there you go, there is the Mustang, and it looks very nice. Very easy build, albeit I have messed it apart. So what I'm going to do is go back and retrace my steps and get that fitted. I'm going to get the stickers on and see what I think. So there it is, the Ford Mustang GT. It has opening bonnet so you can see the engine detail. Pretty cool. Looks all right. So I built the kit in roughly about 15-20 minutes. Obviously you saw it on a bit speeded up, a lot speeded up. What do I think of the kit? I think out of all the quick builds I've done, this is probably the easiest one to put together, but probably not the best quality. As you can see, it looks like it's had a bit of a bump, so the bonnet doesn't shut properly. And it looks like the chassis is a bit twisted, so not all four wheels are actually touching the ground at the same time. Also there's panel gaps along the back here and along the bonnet. You keep trying to squeeze it in and it keeps forcing itself out. Also the quality of the plastic, it's almost like it looks quite shiny in the video, but in here, looking at it now, it looks almost like a matte sort of finish on it, even though it is quite shiny. It's quite strange, it's quite dull. I think overall it's a nice looking car, nice looking model. I think for a younger builder, definitely needs some help from an adult. The stickers, lots of stickers, but as I discovered, a lot of the stickers where you could choose, like for this one you could either have the Mustang sign or the GT. Now you'll notice that my stickers are a bit squint at the front there and on the back with the lights. These stickers are so sticky. you've got one shot. If you get it wrong, there's no getting them off again. Some very small ones at the front there and at the rear. Again, this one missed it's where it's supposed to go, and it's stuck there and I can't get it off. I'm not going to bother taking it off. So I think not bad for, was it £11–12? I think for a younger build, they're going to have a lot of fun with this. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Please comment, good or bad, I will reply. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help the channel, and we'll do some more of these builds later in the year. So keep on building. We'll see you on the next 110 RC Scale Tales video. All the best now. Bye bye.